We're witnessing one of the largest breakthroughs in e-commerce marketing in history. The explosion of AI has absolutely turned the world of marketing on its head. What used to work is now super expensive and barely effective. The scariest part? Most marketers have no idea what actually works in 2025. They are spinning their wheels, optimizing for SEO, wasting money on expensive paid ads, overproducing their content, and spending money in all of the wrong places. So what is working? That's what we're going to cover today. By the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly what e-commerce marketing trends are blowing up right now and what to expect in the near future so you can absolutely crush it in 2025 and 2026. How do we know? Because we've dedicated our entire lives to it. We analyze millions of searches, conversations, mentions across the internet to understand what's trending up to a year before it actually blows up. We cast our sophisticated trend capturing net all over the internet, and here's what we found. Now, this is the future of SEO. It's called answer engine optimization, and just look at the crazy growth for this one. So basically, your SEO strategy is already obsolete. Remember when SEO felt like a boxing match? Throwing punches for rankings, trying to claw your way to page 1, praying for clicks? The whole game is being replaced by AEO. You're not begging for traffic anymore. You're actually holding the answers that these systems desperately need. Just look at what's happening right now. ChatGPT already handles 85 million plus daily searches, and 65% of Google searches end with 0 clicks, which means users get AI answers never visiting a site. And when Google's AI quotes you directly, you're not just ranking, you are the source. So it began with voice search, Alexa and Siri, spoken word search. And today, 72% of Americans still use voice search daily. But the rapid adoption of AI platforms changes everything. With ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews, search stopped being a results page and started being this complete answer engine. So now it's not really about being number one, it's more about being the answer. Like when AI quotes your content verbatim, you're not just the top result, you are the answer, the authority. This isn't just SEO with better tactics, this basically rewrote the whole rulebook. And that's part of why marketers are wasting so much time right now. They're still obsessing over keyword rankings and meta tags. Meanwhile, their traffic is disappearing. So if you're still following the old playbook, fighting for that first position on Google, praying for clicks, those are not great strategies. Let me show you what smart brands are doing and what you should be doing this year as well. It's simpler than you might think, but it does require a bit of a mindset change. So when writing your content, write clear answers to real questions. Kind of like you're explaining things to a friend. Use how to and what is headers that match how people actually search. Don't just hope that AI is going to find your content, really help it. Add FAQ and how-to schema markups so algorithms instantly recognize your answers. These are snippet gold mines. Keep your responses concise, around 40 to 60 words, and make sure to put the key answer first. You really want to hit them with that answer immediately and then go into more detail. Also, be sure to use structured formatting. Headings, bullet points, short paragraphs, things that AI can easily scan and extract. Lastly, regularly update and monitor your content. Track snippet capture rates, voice search visibility, and organic traffic growth. The brands that are really winning at AEO treat it like an ongoing strategy, not just a one-time setup. If you want to learn more about how to continually stay ahead of the game when it comes to SEO, make sure to hit subscribe because I'm going to make a lot more videos as this change unfolds. Now, while this one has a roundabout connection to e-commerce, it is literally changing the way that we build websites, product pages, apps for your brand, landing pages, everything. It's one of the largest breakthroughs in software development, and it's making traditional coding setups look archaic. Right now, searches for vibe coding are up 6,700%. And for marketers, this changes everything. So let's talk about vibe coding. It's pretty simple. With vibe coding, you just explain what you want and AI codes this page or this app for you. No syntax, no debugging hell. Just say, create a login page with Shopify's aesthetic and watch it materialize. While your competitors are paying $100K a year developer salaries for apps for their brand, AI-infused teams are launching apps in mere weeks. This all really kicked off when OpenAI's co-founder tweeted about vibe coding in February of 2025. Look through Y Combinator's latest batch, and you'll see that 1 in 4 startups there are using AI-generated code for 95% of their code. And these aren't little side projects. If you're not familiar, Y Combinator is a huge startup accelerator. These are real companies scaling super fast because their CTO is like 10 people and they're all working with these AI tools. Of course, we're still going to need developers to debug, to look at the intricacies of our code and make sure that everything runs smoothly going forward. But to get from that point 0 to launch, these tools are invaluable. And the data doesn't lie. AI-built companies scale exponentially faster. Let's look at a couple examples here. Siemens reduced dependency conflicts by 37% using an AI task management system. Teams using AI for project planning saw 40% faster execution times. If you're interested in vibe coding, we wrote a whole article about it. I'm going to link that below in the description, so definitely check that out. And drop me a comment if you want to know any specific tools that you can use to start coding today, even if you have no experience. This is the most important thing that you should be doing if you want your ads to start making money. Let's talk about a huge opportunity that marketers cannot ignore in 2025, which is TikTok analytics tools. These tools have spiked 2,200% in growth as marketers are realizing that native analytics tools are leaving them flying blind. Forget TikTok's built-in dashboards. These AI tools scan 250 million creator profiles and 200 million products to decode viral patterns in real time, expose hidden metrics like true likes to follows ratios, 90-day trends, and to auto-transcribe top videos into AI-ready scripts. Now, these tools are trending because their native analytics tools are falling short. You just get 60 days of data and zero competitor intelligence. Then came the synthetic media revolution. With the AI revolution and AR and VR media expanding, marketers are kind of left scrambling to figure out the algorithm. TikTok's revenue also jumped 30% since 2023 as brands discovered that proper analytics massively unlock sales. Beauty brands are using a tool called FastMoss. They saw 41% sales growth just from these AI-generated hooks. Now, 61% of brands are working with 10+ influencers, and most of them are burning thousands of dollars monthly on creators. And yet, most of them are still missing out on TikTok's $30 billion marketplace. They're missing optimal posting times, and they're blindly copying trends instead of leveraging what they know about their own audiences to create content that actually works. Americans spend, on average, around $1,200 per year on TikTok shopping. But you can't really tap into this without converting content. The old way means guessing at top-performing content while these tools surface viral products updated daily with exact affiliate commissions. Also, manual competitor research versus AI scanning profiles to show engagement rates, tags used, and live stream sales data. So if you want to get started with this, I would recommend checking out FastMoss. It tracks top-selling products across 200 million TikTok shops. It shows you the exact creators generating millions in sales and their exact strategies. You can also check out the tool EchoTik.live. It lets you go beyond just seeing success. It really helps you replicate it. You can download competitors' watermark-free videos, and you can extract AI imitation scripts from their top-performing content. So get started by using these tools to research your competitors, figure out what's working, and start creating that content for yourself. Now, if you need help editing content, that's what we're going to go into next. So, you know what content you have to make. Now comes the big task: editing. So let's talk about how successful brands are taking care of the production process in 2025 and 2026. AI video editing. And just take a look at the insane search growth on this one. These tools use AI to make video editing faster, smarter, and available to everybody. With these tools, you can cut, adjust, and polish all these videos yourself without spending a ton of money on a production team or learning all these tools yourself. They analyze your footage and make intelligent choices like when to cut, removing background noises, automatically adjusting the color grading, and of course, AI-generated captions, all with the click of a button. So for decades, complex software have kind of bottlenecked the content creation process. And these tools are just as useful to marketers as they are to people like me who actually film and edit videos. But what this really does is level the playing field so anybody can create professional quality videos at home. I mean, think about it. A month of paying for one of these tools is less than what you'd pay a videographer or editor for an hour of their time. That can dramatically slash expenses for marketing teams. And where can you put that money? Back into your paid ads. So here are a few tools that can get you started. Descript has revolutionized video editing by allowing you to edit videos kind of like the way you edit a document. Their AI handles everything from automatic transcription to voice cloning, so you can even fix mistakes in post-production by retyping a word that you messed up and having it automatically change what you're saying on screen. It even raised $50 million from OpenAI's fund because it's that game-changing. InVideo also uses AI to transform scripts into full videos, with voiceovers, music, transitions, everything. Its text-to-video tool generates these entire videos from simple prompts, and then it pulls in things like stock footage, stock sounds, professional voiceovers, branded elements, and graphics. That means that you can create everything from social media posts to ads to product demos, you name it. Plus, they've already raised over $52 million in funding over 6 funding rounds. Now, the tool Veed also allows people to create amazing videos instantly. Just describe your ad in text, and Veed will generate it in minutes with subtitles, voiceovers, everything. I actually use Veed quite often to create those animated captions on videos like YouTube Shorts. It's got this easy drag and drop interface, these cool pre-built templates, all which makes ad creation a lot easier. A very simple, streamlined workflow is partially why Sequoia Capital invested $35 million into their Series A round. So there's a few tools you can use to get started. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now that's it for today. To take a look at more of these marketing trends and to ramp up your online sales in 2025 and 2026, check out the link in my description. It's going to give you a lot of value for free. Can't stress that enough. Also, don't forget to subscribe because we're going to make a lot more videos on how you can stay ahead and grow your sales this year and next year. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.